Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you some tips and ideas about 10 best colors to pair with every shade of pink. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Embellishing with pink can feel like a risky proposition, if you have actually never done it in the past. If you're questioning what on earth selects pink, we're here to make it a little easier for you. Okay, here are 10 best color ideas to pair with every shade of pink. Number 1. Eggplant. A dark eggplant tone will certainly match perfectly with lavender and bubblegum pink. In this bedroom, the patterned wallpaper and antique carpet attribute lots of various shades of purple as well as pink, for a natural yet endlessly vibrant space. Number 2. Grage. The light pink elbow chairs add some spirited buoyancy to the dark wood items while likewise drawing out the warmer tones in the functional neutral background. This is the ideal plan to comply with if you're looking for a means to decorate with pink that still feels ageless, sleek, and rather official. Number 3. Sapphire blue. The hot pink paint color paired with sapphire blue artwork and a sky blue couch develop a jewel-toned result. Add in one more gem's shade like citron for optimal influence. Number 4. Lavender. Can't make a decision between your two favorite colors? You do not need to. Pops of lavender as well as lavender look romantic and also trendy combined with pink. Number 5. Black. In this living room, an ultra-pale pink velvet sofa really feels decidedly full-grown and understated combined with moody black artwork, a marble mantle, and also a low-to-the-ground coffee table while the informal rug makes the room really feel warm as well as inviting. Number 6. Lime green. In this bedroom developed by Lisa Tharp, the lime environment-friendly folding screen includes dimension as well as depth, while additionally introducing comparison against the peach-hued curtains as well as copper light. Number 7. White. Blue as well as white aren't the only colors that function like magic in a beach house. This coastal retreat interiors is dominated by pink as well as white, and also insists its local color via some beachy products, like rattan as well as jute. Number 8. Dark gray-green. An earthy green helps ground dainty shades of pink along with even more strong tones. We suggest stabilizing dynamic pops of pink with a lot more muted greens. Johnson incorporated this natural green via glass lighting, information in the paint, and a contrasting toss cushion. Number 9. Marigold. The high ceilings, crisp white paint, and long shears highlight the elevation of the area, while all the other furniture was kept incredibly reduced for a grounding effect. A mounted sepia artwork, timberside table, as well as marigold cushion present warmth, while the magenta toss blanket is an enjoyable shock. Number 10. Light gray. Balance warmth and energy with rest and also coolness by including some gray elements. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on so you never miss those upcoming videos. See you next time.